Welcome back to this video. In this tutorial, I will show you at least 5 amazing best websites to get free premium PSD mockup or for free. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about free stuff like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first website I would like to show you as far as best 5 free premium mockup for PSD file is concerned is this particular website right here. This particular website right here, mrmockup.com. So when you launch into the site, it takes you to this particular page like this. Okay, what you need to do is to simply navigate to free mockup right here. Click on free mockup. Then under free mockup, there are a lot of mockups such as business card mockup, envelope mockup, poster mockup, frame mockup. You can simply scroll down and choose any mockup file of your choice. Take a look at this MacBook mockup, and this is another magazine mockup, free poster. You can scroll down and see more free PSD mockup that you can simply download and use it for your design, just like so. Then another website I want to show you here is this particular website. So this website here is mockups/design.com. So this website here offers free mockup, and the good thing about this site here is that every day new mockup are uploaded on the site. So when you get to the site, this is how it looks like. What you need to do is to simply navigate to the top right here where you see mockups. Then when you click on mockups, then you'll be able to see all available mockup on the site, just like so. You can simply scroll down and choose and browse by category. These are business card mockup category. These are brochure mockup category, flyer mockup category, packaging, poster, etc. You can simply scroll down, and then from the home page like this, you can begin to see different mockup that you can simply use for your next design project. And down below right here, you can see this page here has about 109 plus page. So what this simply means that when you are done with the first page, you can simply click on the next page right here. It takes you to another page whereby you see new mockup from different, so just like so. So you can see these are premium quality mockup that you can use for your design project. So take a look at them. These are all free mockups. Okay, so the next one I want to show you is this particular website right here. So this website here is pixden.com. This website also offers free PSD mockup that you can use for your design project. When you get into the site, simply scroll down. This is how everything looks like. So you can simply select on any mockup of your choice. But when you are trying to hover around the site, you will see a section for premium, and these are free stuff. So it's going to label free. So what you need to do is to simply click on the free one, download, and you are good to go. Okay, so you can simply scroll down and see more page. So to go to the next page, simply click on next right here, and it takes you to another page as far as this particular website is concerned. You can also come to the top right here and browse by free stuff. So when you click on free stuff, it's going to refine all the assets on the site and present you with only free mockup template, just like so. So you can see the more you navigate, you hover your mouse, the more it indicates that these are free stuff. So you can simply scroll down to see more free stuff as far as pixden.com free stuff is concerned. And this free stuff here has about 1 to 9 pages. This simply means that when you are done with the first page, you can simply click on next right here, and it takes you to the next page whereby you see more free mockup that you can simply download and use it for your design project, just like so. Okay, so this is the third one I want to show you as far as 5 best free website that you can use to get free PSD mockup for your next design project. So let's take a look at the fourth one as far as this mockup site is concerned. So the fourth one right there is onblast.com. Onblast.com also offers free stuff ranging from free icon, mockups, templates, 3D mode, colors, etc. But in this particular tutorial, what we are mostly concerned here is how we can get free PSD mockup. Just like so, from the home page right here, you have France sticker mockup, you have board mockup, you have construction fence mockup, you have real estate, simple wood, stuff like that. You can also come to the top right here, simply click on mockups. Then you are going to see all mockups on this side by category. Then if you are able to see any one of your choice, just go ahead, click on download, and you can use them for your next project. It is all for free. You can scroll down and see more. Then from the points here, click on next. When you click on next, it takes you to another page whereby you see a variety of mockup that you can simply download for your next design project, such as laptop mockup, iPhone mockup, banner mockup, smartphone mockup, iPhone 15, Mac Pro, etc. So you can begin scroll down and see more preview as far as mockup is concerned. So the very last one right here is freepik.com. This is a very popular website that offers variety of graphic stock for free. But in this tutorial, what we are mostly concerned here is how we can get free PSD mockup. When you get to the site, this is how it's going to look like. What you want to do here is to simply navigate to PSD from the home tab right here. From PSD, make sure you navigate to mockups, click on mockups, then it's going to refine all the site and present you with all available mockup that you can simply download for free and use it for your next design project. You can simply scroll down like this, and the more you scroll down, the more you see mockup by category such as digital device, social media, packaging. You can simply scroll down and see more as far as this particular website is concerned. Okay, so if you want to download any one of them right here, what you need to do is to simply click on the mockup, then you are good to go. So you can come from the asset right here and navigate to PSD and make sure you refine by free stuff. So click on free stuff, then PSD, and type in mockup from the search engine right here, mockup, then press search. So by our input search right here, we have this result showing PSD for mockup, and we can simply scroll down and see more free mockup right here, such as business card, billboard banner, phone mockup, iPhone mockup, cap mockup, and logo mockup, font mockup, billboard mockup, etc. The more you scroll down, the more you see free mockup templates that you can simply download. And right here, this page has about 1 to 100 pages. This simply means that you can begin to click on next page until you are able to see the rightful one that you want to download and use for your next design project. So basically, this is best 5 websites that you can use to get free PSD mockup without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about free stuff like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.